ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, സൂപ്പർ ക്ലാസ്സസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ 50 സെലക്റ്റഡ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് റെഡിയാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. പിന്നെ ഒരു കാര്യം, എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. ഞാനിടുന്ന വീഡിയോസിൻ്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ കിട്ടാനായി കുഞ്ഞു ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്തു ഓൾ എന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യണേ. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലോട്ട് കടക്കാം. First question. Primary Agricultural Credit Society PACS can become a member of dash. Answer: District Cooperative Bank. Prudential norms include dash. Answer: income recognition, asset classification, provisioning. The expansion of mask is dash. Answer: Mutual Arrangement Scheme, Kerala. Subsidiary state partnership fund is maintained by dash. Answer: District Cooperative Bank. Dash can exercise casting vote in the meeting of the managing committee of a cooperative society. Answer: Chairman. The retirement age of an employee of a cooperative society shall be dash years. Answer: 58. Final voters list in a primary credit cooperative society for election is published by dash. Answer: Electoral officer. Women representation in the managing committee of a primary cooperative society is dash. Answer: 3. A contract guarantee is governed by the provision of dash. Answer: Indian Contract Act. In core banking system, all dash will be connected to a central server. Answer: all branches of the bank. The officer who executes the decree in a cooperative society is dash. Answer: sale officer. The registration certificate of a cooperative society is done as per section dash of KSCARD Act. Answer: section 8. Marketing society will set apart at least dash percentage of net profit to price fluctuation fund. Answer: 10%. Crop loan system was recommended by dash. Answer: All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. The number of regional milk producers union is dash. Answer: 3. Kerala State Cooperative Agricultural and Rural Development Bank Limited was formerly known as dash. Answer: Kerala Cooperative Central Land Mortgage Bank. CRR, cash reserve ratio in commercial banks is deposited in dash. Answer: RBI, Reserve Bank of India. The head of audit of the cooperative department is dash. Answer: Director of Cooperative Audit. Kerala State Cooperative Agricultural and Rural Development Bank Act came into force in the year dash. Answer: 1984. Negotiable Instruments Act came into force in the year dash. Answer: 1881. Graphic card was constituted by RBI in dash. Answer: 1979. The name of cooperative colony established by Robert Owen in America was dash. Answer: New Harmony. NAFED was organized in the year dash. Answer: 1958. The headquarters of CAMCO is at dash. Answer: Mangalore. NABARD was organized in the year dash. Answer: 1982. Training means dash. Answer: knowledge, attitude and skill. Maximum age limit for direct recruitment to the post of Deputy General Manager in District Cooperative Banks is dash. Answer 40. Maximum percentage of professional education fund appropriated from net profit of a cooperative society is dash. Answer 5%. Reserve fund invested comes under dash side of the balance sheet. Answer assets and liability. Depreciation is a dash. Answer charged provision. In the word Vigio, B stands for dash. Answer felt need. The secretary of the state cooperative union shall be dash. Answer additional registrar. The cooperative movement originated first in dash. Answer England. The headquarters of REPCO is at dash. Answer Kannur. Cooperative credit societies known as Rurali was started by dash. Answer Dr. Woolenberg. Dash is the national level of marketing societies in India. Answer NAFED. Annual credit limit statement is prepared by dash. Answer primary agricultural credit societies. The word debenture is derived from dash. Answer debuggy. Dash is one of the elements of cooperative governance. Answer transparency. The government shall in consultation with the dash fix or alter the number and designation of the officers and servants of different classes of societies specified in section 80 subsection 1 of KSCARD Act 1969. Answer Registrar of Cooperative Societies. Checks are payable on dash. Answer on demand. The chief executive of the society shall prepare the financial statements and statutory statements within dash months from the close of the financial year. Answer 1 month. An audit report which contains no condition is called dash report. Answer clean report. No member of a cooperative society expelled under the provisions of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act shall be eligible for readmission in the society for a period of dash from the date of such expulsion. Answer 1 year. The major sources of revenue of any business is dash. Answer sales. Budget presented before the general body of a cooperative society after the financial year is called dash. Answer annual budget. Dash are the amount gained by selling the product of a concern. Answer revenue. Interest on deposit is dash income. Answer revenue income. Fourth generation of computers. Answer were the first to use microprocessors. Last question. Stealing money from an institution by way of falsification of record is dash. Answer forgery. പുതിയ വീഡിയോയുമായി നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ ചാനൽ.